Alright guys, so I just got this staple gun. So look at that. This is just extra from Amazon. So let's go take a peek at the gun. It's got a nice little feel to it. This is rubber. This handle is rubber. Down here it's rubber. So all of the parts you're touching, it's rubber. This is metal, and that's rubber too. That's plastic. So this is the T50. And there's all the staples you can use. So when you buy on Amazon, they actually send you this for free. I believe they're the same. So cool. Let's go ahead and try the biggest ones and see how they do. So that's how they do it. I always like to see how much power they have, so let's see. Pretty simple. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, okay. My other gun you loaded here. Here you loaded there, okay. Okay. It's not bad. So let's start out with some pine. I don't have a 2x4, but this is that fancy wood that people pay a premium for. It's really just a 2x4, but it's thinner. So let's see what it does. Wow, that went in all the way. Look at that. I am impressed. I actually thought maybe it wouldn't go all the way. Every time, okay. I like this. It's pretty good. So if you're doing any kind of fabric or any kind of work with pine, softwood, plenty of power. Now the next one here, I actually have some oak. I don't have a board, but this is just firewood. So let's see how it does right here. Look at that, guys. That went in just as smooth as into pine. Look at that. All three of them. I mean, there's not much more I can say about it. It's not hard to squeeze, so obviously you have to load up the spring and it shoots somewhere down here. It's very lightweight. It actually holds onto my fingers pretty well. So I like it, guys. Let me know what you guys think, but I think that's a winner right there. I believe they're like 20 bucks on Amazon, and they send you 2 packs. Not that they're that expensive or anything, but still, 2 free packs. Shoots into oak and into pine for 20 bucks. I don't think you can beat that. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.